Stephen, so the first time that I met you, it was very clear that you strive to minimize bias in your work and that you want to understand, he really wants to understand the biases around him so that he has a truly holistic view of the information that he is receiving. That's a key trait of a change maker, is to really be able to see the whole big picture. So how can we check our own biases so that we can become better listeners, as you were saying, and then with that, make more strategic decisions?
I think about this from, I guess, two different angles. One would be how any workplace should be thinking about it. And the other is, as a journalist, we produce, our work is out in the world, and it has influence to whatever degree in the community. And so I'm always striving to have different viewpoints in the room with me. It can be really hard. It can take a lot of time and effort. But I think without that, both in a workplace and then also as a publication, you're doing a disservice if you don't include other voices. I mean, if our whole newsroom was people who came from similar schools as me, came from a similar background as me, had similar life experiences as me, we would be missing so much. As I said, that manifests both in a workplace and in a publication and what we're choosing to cover and how we're choosing to cover it. For example, we brought on a reporter a couple years ago whose previous job was for The Contributor, the street paper in Nashville. And she's brought this entirely different perspective on, we've always covered a lot of real estate news, and that invariably is related to housing, but she brings this whole other perspective on housing because she has so much familiarity with the homeless community in Nashville and the different services and affordable housing policy that's going through government. And so it's changed how we've covered real estate in a way, and that was not really the intent, but I've always known that I strive to bring in different people with different backgrounds, and I think that's a value for any workplace.
Thank you.